I was not expecting my car to be frosted over. I'm recording on my phone because my camera's flat. I completely forgot to charge it. Today I am going to Eurocar Parts to get spark plugs for the Toyota Corolla. I've already taken out the old spark plugs. I am also, after that, going to go to a garage because my car has an oil leak, which is sick. My actual daily driver, my Ibiza, has an oil leak, a small one. Hence why I'm managing to drive it there. But yeah, it does have an oil leak, which is shite. So I'm gonna go get that fixed. Probably won't record much there, to be honest. I might record it up on the ramp or take a picture of it or something. But if not, I'll see you afterwards. So I need to set off now. I was meant to set off like 7 minutes ago. Right, I went to Eurocar Parts this morning and got these spark plugs completely blanked on the name for some reason for a second. So I'm gonna fit those now. And I've brought my camera. I've charged it at home while I was going to Eurocar Parts. They did look at the oil leak at the garage, but there wasn't really, they couldn't figure out where it was coming from basically. And it's not a massive oil leak, like I said, it's just a tiny one. We're basically just gonna wait until I can actually figure out where it's coming from, then I'll go back to them. Or I might just do it myself. If it's like the gasket on the top, I can just do that myself. But yeah, we're gonna put these spark plugs in the Toyota Corolla. I did have a torque wrench at home, but it only went down to 28, and I think these need to go down to 14. So I'll just tighten them up basically, and yeah, just don't do them too tight, don't do them too slack. That's the cover that we took off. I think I'm going to leave it off until I've got the oil leak sorted, just because I don't want to get it ruined with all the paint that's on it and stuff. My receipts. I'm going to change to the camera now. It's in the boot, and I think also today I might respray some stuff on the Ibiza red, so I might respray these handle things here, because they just come out real easy. So I think I'm going to respray these. I don't have one there obviously. The gauge lit up this morning for some reason, for like 5 seconds. So the gauge isn't dead. So something inside it, or the ground maybe is bad. Oh yeah, you can see me in the gauge. There's all the spark plugs. I'm just going to do a time lapse of me putting them in probably. That's what it looks like at the minute, the engine bay. I wrapped that and I put a tow strap on the front as well. It's actually hooked up. Don't know if you'll be able to see. Put the ISO up a bit. I also put a shark fin on the roof, just so that the aerial's sorted out, and the tacker is in. Just needs wiring up like a lot of stuff. Next thing I need to do is adjust the throttle cable, because that's really slack, but there's no point in filming that because you won't be able to see anything. Won't be very interesting, I don't think. Not sure what the last thing I filmed was, but I've resprayed all of these as well now. So we've got some nice red accents inside the interior. I'm just going to go wash my car and I'm going to go home, so that's basically it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So I need to keep that from Eurocar Parts. Bye.